Ready! I'm going straight all as we go.
Oh, that was close. Holy fuck. Well, that was a close call.
You got to right too?
Oh, bull.
There, what do you got? There. I have like absolutely no cover.
Ooh, I think that's my mag. I'm hit. Yo, do ricochets count? Or, wait, I don't even know if it was a ricochet. I'm out.
I think it's good. Alright, check the, here, look, you know, is that good? Mm-hmm. Alright, I think that...
So, we'll move up together when we get out there. Just in case if we get split, that's the way to fire too far.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Alright, come on, guys. My team with me. I don't know why the fuck I went that way. Oh, cool, Robert, you coming?
Yep.
Awesome. Fuck it, we could use the firepower. Yeah. I'm waiting for everybody else to catch up.
Slowly.
He's fucking waving out, some prick. Oh, cool, we got a bigger force than I imagined.
Yeah, you wanna just
Hold
keep
on.
going that way and hook up?
That's what we gotta do. You know what we have to do though? We gotta do it mad quick.
What's up?
Alright, here's the situation. How many people we got
Guy
here?
up there watching us.
Yeah.
Let's split up into 2 teams, because that way when we get up there we can move into 2. You 4. Alex, you, and you. You're all one team, the rest of us will be another team. Actually, you know what? You stay with him.
The guy straight there, he's already shooting at us.
Shoot back.
He can't hit us from here.
Yeah, I didn't think he could hit us. But look, listen to me. We need to move up this road fast as hell. I'll lead the attack team because I know exactly where I'm going. Alex, fix fire on them the best you can. When we get to the end of the path here, just book it after us, alright? And actually, you know what? Hey, you guys chilling over here?
I gotta take a piss.
Oh. Maybe they could cover for us then.
Yeah, they cover us.
Hey, you guys want to provide cover fire?
Danny can do that.
Listen to me.
So we're moving 2 teams.
See those positions up there? Take them, alright? That's what I need you to take. Alright, come on everybody. Danny, start firing now, alright? Take them. Assault team, let's go! fast, fast, fast. Go, go, go.
We're coming down to the left, to the left.
To the left.
Go, 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 go. Oh, damn, Allison.
Moving back, he's moving back.
Yo, be careful behind the tires.
He's up here.
We got contact behind the tires. Oh, gosh, I can see he's pushing up. I think he just fell back. No, I don't think that was him.
Yeah.
Right there. You're with him. Bunker, now. Go. Go, go, go. I'm not sure if there's still one behind those tires. Go, go, go. Go, go.
What's going on?
Go with them. Go.